Do you want to know how you can access the help center on Frollo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access the help center in Frollo if you have any kind of problem with your app. So go ahead and open Frollo, which is on your phone, and tap on the screen to use your biometrics if you have set it up, or write down your passcode. Then what you need to do is click on settings, which you see on the top right hand corner of your screen. After you click on settings, you can see the help center under help and legal. Go ahead and tap on help center and you can see that there are two options, help and support and have an idea for us. Go ahead and tap on help and support and this page will load up. This page will have a lot of articles. You can scroll a bit down and you can see this some of the articles like problems linking your bank accounts, learn more about CDR Open Bank, problems with bank account syncing data, learn more about your account. You can see there are a lot of articles provided for you by Frollo, so you can choose which problem you have. So if you have problems with the feature in app, go ahead and click on read more and it provides you further categories like these. So let's go ahead and tap on one of them and you can see that the article will show up, but first you must log into your account. So go ahead and log into your account and you can access the help center. The second option is have an idea for us. If you tap on it, you can chat with the customer support of Frollo in real time and provide feedback to them. So you can see that where could we do better. You can see some of the options over here. So tap on the drop down menu which is over here. There are a lot of things like bills, budgets, cash flow, categorization, financial support, goals, net worth, payday and other. So you can choose on one of these and you can give your idea and Frollo might take your feedback and improve the app features and other problems which might have occurred on a daily basis. So guys, this is how you access the help center on Frollo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.